Hey guys, welcome to Login Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your Snapchat account online on your phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to delete your Snapchat account on your phone, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into account which you want to delete. And after opening your Snapchat app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there is your profile picture icon. Now in order to delete your Snapchat account, first you'll be required to tap on that, which is your profile picture icon. And after your profile opens on your Snapchat, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the gear or the settings icon available for us. Tap on that, and on the settings of your Snapchat account, scroll down from over here to the bottom of the list, where you can see there is the delete account option available for us just above the logout section. Tap on that delete account, and after you tap on the delete account button, guys, you will be over here where you will be able to delete your Snapchat account from over here. But you can also be asked to log into your Snapchat account first in order to delete your account. So guys, I've already logged into the delete section of my page, so it's not asking me to log in, but you can be asked to log into your account. So on that page you'll be required to enter your username, email, and your password to log into your account. And after that you will be on this page of the Snapchat, where in order to continue to delete your Snapchat account, you can see this is my username. You'll be required to enter your password over here, guys. And after that, tap on continue, and then your Snapchat account will be deleted from over here. You can see the account deleted option is available for us, and there is the account deactivated. And after 30 days your Snapchat will be deleted. And with that being said, guys, this is how you delete your Snapchat account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.